It's Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today we're going to be making a strawberry lip balm and a coconut lip balm. The strawberry lip balm will have a red pigment that I made using mica and red iron oxide. This is the colorant I will be using for the strawberry lip balm. So the ingredients I will be using for both lip balms are beeswax, sunflower oil, candelilla wax, and cocoa butter. Now the difference between candelilla and beeswax are that candelilla is much tougher and harder to melt, whereas beeswax is softer and easier to melt. And beeswax has a flashing point of 185 degrees. This is strawberry daiquiri flavor oil that I will be using for the strawberry lip balm, and we got it from Crafter's Choice. For the coconut lip balm, I will be using this coconut flavor oil from Brambleberry. Okay, so I am melting the waxes and the cocoa butter, and they're almost melted. I added the sunflower oil, and it's almost melted. The cocoa butter and waxes and sunflower oil are fully melted. And they're transparent.
But that's the way it's supposed to look like, right?
I suggest you heat it for a little bit longer and to stir.
Alright. Go.
Okay, right now I am putting in the coconut flavor oil. I already put in 8 drops, so I'm going to put in a couple more. I took 2 of these capsules of vitamin E and squeezed it into my mixture. And what this does is it adds some moisturizing properties. I'd say it's ready to be placed in the tubes. Alright, so right now I am going to pour the lip balm into the tubes. And this is the coconut lip balm. We don't know how many this will make, but we're assuming it's going to be around 10. 10.15 ounce tubes of lip balm. Okay, so we're doing what we did before, and we're going to melt the beeswax and the candelilla wax in the double boiler for the strawberry lip balm. Alright, so now I'm adding the pigment for the strawberry lip balm. This is going to be a slightly tinted lip balm. I'm only putting a little bit because we want it to be tinted but not highly pigmented. Isn't that lovely? It's a bright red, but when it cools, it's going to be a little less pigmented. it's going to be more of like a rosy red color, and it's going to be a little sheer because again, we don't want too much pigment because it's supposed to be a tinted lip balm. And now I'm going to add in the vitamin E. Again, this is going to add some moisturizing properties. And now I'm going to put in my strawberry daiquiri flavoring oil. And I will be using a pipette to do so. I will be putting, how about 7 drops? It needs just a tad more, so I'm going to put in a couple more drops. And that smells lovely. It has a very strawberry scent to it. Alright, now it's ready to be poured into the tubes. I'm going to scrape the excess from the lip balm tubes so that they're even. On this side, there are the coconut lip balms. And on this side, there are the strawberry lip balms. Alright, these are the finished lip balms, and they smell amazing. The strawberry, of course, smells like strawberries, and the coconut smells like coconut. Thank you for watching the video. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you can follow us on Instagram at FNatBeauty and on Twitter at FRNaturalBeauty. And you can like our Facebook page, and that's where we put a lot of our pictures of our products. So be sure to check that out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, stay classy.